Yeah, that's why when you can drive back as long as we're not in a rush.
I'd have eased off half a mile ago.
Exactly. I've got I need to sort myself out at work. I've got really bad for driving on the brakes.
By the way, don't go in there for toilet stop or coffee stop, one of them.
I wonder if they've got a coffee machine now.
Because that was terrible.
Toilet stop's fine because they've always had a toilet. I haven't
been in that garage for a long time, so I'm not sure. They might have a coffee machine again now. That was when we were getting this, wasn't it, I think?
Maybe you find out one day.
Yeah. It's weird because I used to go there quite regular. I just don't anymore. But I think it's a pain in the ass to get out a lot of the time.
There's nothing worse than going into a garage for a coffee and then not coming out without the coffee. And spending that
time. That was 5 minutes gone.
We ended up on the shuttle on the 884 instead, didn't we?
And then we started looking at the time going, oh.
How?
Good reaction.
Save that on there.
I'm glad you saw it because I didn't.
Was gone. I didn't see it. That's the thing. All I saw was the car coming. Oh wow!
I thought that was a crash.
So did I.
Literally.
How did that? How?
I think your little dodge left was just enough.
I thought the front end was gone. Honestly.
So
do I. My little tickers go like the clappers, man.
Adrenaline rush.
I smacked my wrist backwards on the steering wheel. Oh my god.
Jesus.
It's alright, do you know one thing I'd have been pretty certain of?
What's that?
That car would have come off a lot worse than we would.
Especially the speed that was going.
That would have probably put that car over if it had hit this.
Especially the angle and everything.
Exactly.
I'm assuming he was trying to beat, he saw the green light, trying to beat you.
The thing that got me the most was I saw it coming, but I didn't see it until it was there, if you know what I mean, because he was going too quickly. Wow.